Sorkar jela kalau Mang hadu nyo poin lai klur na kebentaban pynwandur itynnad bat pynkhuid ya keketi bat ki jabok jaban na po Nan Polok Ws Lake kenang benang kentiu syuk ya ka kum kawe na ki jaka jengok kai perthei. Haba pentip ya kani haka kanyo terik jeliu Menteri Ketenat Tourism ubak Pol Lingdo. Ula ong lingba Ketenat Urban Affairs ngas ngau komen ban pentip syapi bala Mang hadu nyo poin lai klur na kebentaban pynwandur itynnad ya ka Nan Polok. Kani kejimpen itynnad ke kentup ru haka baydei berkejim pynkhuid ya ka Haba pai kemat halor kejing nang kiu jong Nan Polok haka baydei berki kamwan syangkai perthei ngin penyat syakmat haringkat kejim pynkhuid ya kani kanan ula benram. Menteri upentip ru ba Ketenat kaladep ban pelat ya ka notice inviting tender NIT bat la kumno hapok kini ki artayo ki banwan ka kam kan sasdang no. Sisian balas dang pentre ya kakam kejing pynkhuid ber kejing pen itynnad ya ka Nan Polok pin sayo I hadien balala ban pendep lun ha kebaka kebadan ha kani kanan kan long ke bekhuid clear lingba kani kejing pendon kam ya ka teknologi kum ka nano bubble kan yarap ru ban pendap ya ka oksigen hapok kani kanan ulaong. Nalor ketau menteri ula penbenar ru basa sau klur tengka lamang ban sedang pentre ya ki light bat sound show hapok Nan Polok. Hasyua ka bekut jong ka ayom liur ngidei ban sedang no yakini ki light bat sound show hapok Nan Polok bat sa kumba sau klur tingka lamang na ke bentakani bat ya ke jingkot tender ya kini ke project on sedang no shen. Ka jing pentre ki kam kan sedang no syua ka bekut jong benai nailar lani unai lur banwan. Ka jing pentre ya kini ke project kan shimpor kumbah nriu haduk prabnai haduk banda pendep pura ulaong. Ubak Pol ulaong ru baka Sorkar kan sashnaru ia ki pankhana ban pendon kam da ki pajba ha ki shipo duk kar artli ki jaka syangkai perthei. Kumta shipo duk kar artli ki jaka ladep ban itu bat ia kini ki pankhana lamang ban pentre ha ka jinglut ke bakot kumba arpusan lak ula benram.
One, and this is very good news, is that as far as enhancing the potential of Ws Lake as a tourist destination, we are going ahead with the desiltation of the lake. And through the Department of Urban Affairs, I am glad to share with you that an amount of rupees 7 crore 3 lakhs 67,071 rupees has already been earmarked for the work of beautification of the lake. This beautification would involve treatment of the water, what is known as oxygenation, and this work has already been allotted, and meaning tenders have been called, NIT has been issued, and within the next 2 weeks or so, work on the ground will start. This work, once taken up, the cleaning and beautification of Ws Lake, you will see that once completed, the water will be sparkling clean, and also with this use of the technology that is known as nano bubbler, it will help to oxygenate the lake. 2 is we are also going ahead with the construction of toilets for use of the general public at various tourist destinations. Roughly 10 to 12 such locations have been identified, and these toilets will have a sanction of about 25 lakhs per toilet. by the end of the monsoon season, we should also be able to begin work for the light and sound show at Ws Lake. An amount of roughly 4 crore rupees has been earmarked, and the process of tendering this particular project will start soon. And as I mentioned, work on the ground will begin by end of August or September. The project will take roughly 6 to 8 months until completion. Yeah, those are the tender was called by the Department of Urban Affairs through the Directorate, and the then Director, Urban Affairs, Mr. E. Karmalki, had issued this letter of acceptance to TJ Enterprise, Jail Road, Shillong. Hopefully, this will not lead to any closure because it only involves cleaning up the lake.